2 different ways that you can practice rhyming. First of all, you need at least 2 players, and this game is called Rhyme Time, and you are going to be choosing a stick from the cup, or you can also use flashcards, just turn them upside down, and say at least 2 rhyming words with the word on the stick. So for example, the word is dog, so I'd say, what words rhyme with dog? And the other person would orally say frog, log, smog, tog, because they can even be nonsense words. And if they can say at least 2 words, they get to keep the card or the stick. Here's a quick list of the words that I put on all of my sticks. Remember, you can also use cards as flashcards as well. It doesn't have to be on sticks. If you'd like to add a challenge, you can either add points to the cards, or you can make the colored sticks, if you have them, worth different points, like the red is +2, purple is +1, and so on, just to make it extra challenging. The next game is called Yes, Does It Rhyme? Yes or No. So I would say cash, rash, does it rhyme? And your partner would either point or say yes or no, or you could do thumbs up, thumbs down. Or I could say fun, fan, does it rhyme? Yes or no? And then they would say no, and if they guessed right, they get to keep the stick. I hope you enjoyed learning about rhyming.